everyone, welcome to MedTech World, and I'm here with Emil from Synergotron. He's the CBO, and he was actually participating in MedTech Malta 2023, winner of an award category. Thank you very much, and very nice to see you again.
Thank you for having me. Yeah.
So yesterday we were witnessing your startup pitch competition as well here in Arab Health. So tell us what's happening with the company after actually MedTech World.
So this was our second year at the Innovate competition. So we are very glad to be here again. We are trying to expand towards Middle East. So we built some traction regarding the sales of our hybrid plasma technology, our hybrid plasma device called Helix. So now we are entering more and more towards physiotherapy, post-surgical recovery, and areas like this. We are still a wellness device, so we are, let's say, narrow in our claims, but working our way to the full-on medical device.
So since MedTech Malta 2023, what have been the journey that drive you today to the GCC?
So we made some, let's say, business-to-business partnerships with clinics, with hospitals, research institutions. We are building up our production. So we now raised our production capabilities to around 1,000 units per month. When we were at Malta, we were talking about, let's say, 50 units per month. So we did some scale up. Now we are fighting to do, let's say, proper marketing for the device, and basically are just gathering results, feedback, testimonials, and yeah, hopefully that will enable us to go on a fast track towards medical.
Why the GCC?
I would say because if you think in terms of physiotherapy, if you think in terms of aesthetic surgical procedures and things like that, so this would be a good device for post-operative recovery, and therefore we see a great potential here. For example, I got asked yesterday, why not US? I would say the US is, for a startup, it's too large of a step to make it, at least at this point.
What have been the biggest challenge when entering a new market?
Well, first of all, the perception. So you have no local traction, you have no, let's say, guarantee that your product works. Then you try to find the local partners, and then as soon as you start building local traction through, for example, in our case it was a couple of football clubs here, they started using the device. Now it's easier to talk to potential local buyers as well. But yeah, basically depends on the geography, but there is a variety of obstacles basically to enter each individual market.
You have the device in here.
Exactly.
So do you want to explain more or less how it works?
Of course. So the device can operate in two different modes. It can operate in the deep mode, where the microcurrents are guided through the tissue. It helps with increasing mobility, flexibility. It helps with alleviating pain. And you can do the surface treatment, so the buzzing that you hear. These are small electrical discharges, which are basically called plasma. They can help you reduce bacterial load on the surfaces. So this is basically, once it becomes medical, this is steered towards surface disinfection. So these are let's say the possible two modes that the device can work in. It uses 6 different physical stimuli in synergy, so that's basically the unique selling point of the device, because in physiotherapy you have a variety of devices working with light, ultrasound, whatever, but we are combining 6 different physical stimuli for better results, working simultaneously.
So what are the opportunities you are looking?
So we would like to partner up with different clinics. That definitely raises our credibility. So we would like to get more and more feedback from the professional, let's say, part of the users. Of course, initially we started with private users because we are a startup, so you cannot get into the hospitals, into the clinics immediately. And now we would like to build this kind of traction also with sports clubs, sports associations. For example, in 2024, our device participated in the Olympics and the Paralympics. So we had 3 medalists using it. So we're quite happy with this as well.
Okay, so good luck, and hopefully we can also have you again in our MedTech World Dubai 2025.
I would be honored to participate, and hopefully we'll see you there.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.